Baby Big Mouth! Surprise!
It's a Baby Big Mouth surprise egg learn-a-word. Spelling Halloween is great fun. P. U. M. P. K. I. N. And what's that spell? Pumpkin. P. U. M. P. K. I. N. Pumpkin. Now for a trick-or-treat surprise.
Surprise!
Disney Princess. Shake, shake, shake. Pop. The Disney Princess Collection. Wow, so beautiful. And painted by hand. And now a spelling celebration. Thanks for cracking us up. Bye-bye. More surprise party fun! Click here to see not one, not two, but 101 surprise eggs!
Or click here to see more of the fun you love best!
And let's be best friends! Click here to subscribe to Baby Big Mouth!